Alright, what's going on, y'all? Back with another video. So, I already told y'all in the previous videos that I was going to change up the content a little bit. This is that video that kind of starts that, So, I want to, show y'all how to install a short stroke kick into your airsoft gun. Mine would be the Lancer Tactical Nightshade. So, first, what you want to do, obviously, you need to get these. This is already open because I was looking at it, making sure everything was in there. But first you want to take this apart and make sure there's no mag in here, and I already took mine out. So take this, bring it back here, maybe a little open spot right there, you pop this right out, open this, then you want to take this, slide this out. It'll be different depending on the airsoft gun you have. Unscrew this, it's gonna take a little bit, sit this in a safe spot. Take out this, there's a spring right here, mine is altered, this is not the stock spring that it came with. Then you have this, you should have a washer. Then I want to say most, if not all of them, have a black one already. This might just be mine. No, yeah, this is mine. So it'd normally be like this part back here, and then it would be just the washer, but this is mine. So be that I'm gonna actually change it today because I actually do want to change it. As much as I do like the full blowback experience, I kind of do want to change it up just a tad bit. I think I want to add some yellows, so everybody, I had yellow red, why not? So we're gonna change that out. Have these right here, and first you want to just throw whichever one you want first. I normally do black, washer black, and then another washer, but I mean, I like to experiment, so we're gonna do, this one's the harder one, so we'll do a yellow red. So a yellow one on there, throw a red one on there, washer in between, and then throw another washer. That's to prevent the spring. From damaging, the rubber. So you put the other washer back on here, put this in here, take this back, throw this in here. This actually normally takes me a second, just because I don't have a different setup. So I like to just throw it in here, wiggle it till it meets the middle part. I already know the camera quality sucks, don't add me about it. Boom, pop this right here, pull it back, let it meet. Nah, come on now. Come on, there we go. So you're gonna push that there. It should just come right up. Yep, there it is. Okay. Twist this in. As soon as it gets up there, let it go. Put the gun back together. Boom, it should, not go all the way back. We'll see how far that is. Put it back together. Now it doesn't go all the way back here. It won't lock back in place, even if I tried. So now it only goes back, this far, which is still, I could probably still put like another one in there, and I probably will do that. But as of right now, I need to find my other washer. But as of right now, if you can see that, it's actually not able to hit this stoppage right here. It's not able to hit that. And that's kind of the point of the short stroke kick, so that way you can just, keep cycling through and not have it go back, all the way back here. So that's how you do it. You need to put everything back in there. Make sure you keep track of your washers, because they can and will get lost. You'd be surprised. I've already lost 2 sets already, trying to mess around with the black washers, and still have not found them. And that is how you install it. It's not really that hard. these, you can get these off of pretty much anywhere. I got these off of Amazon, so I mean, hey, you can go there, go to other spots. If you got a local shop, go for it. Have fun. That's how you do it, and that's pretty much it for me.